Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to create dreamy floral art in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Fill the background with a soft gradient. Import floral images or brushes like roses, leaves and pastel. Arrange flowers around the canvas in balanced composition. Apply blur on background flowers for dreamy depth. Add outer glow in pastel color to highlight main flowers. Use the brush tool with opacity to paint light flares. Add gradient overlays on flowers for a magical color shift. Scattered small petals using custom brushes for atmosphere. Apply blending modes like screen or soft light for glow effects. Insert bouquet or light like leak texture to enhance softness.